Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be editing a football video for my channel. This is the gameplay file. It's just one file. I've made the project and just dragged it into here. Everything is currently uncut and I'm just going to do basically a simple edit. And these videos on my channel called Gamers, it generally gets between 2 and 5,000 views. Go to the beginning. I'll try and talk about the hotkeys I use, Command++ to zoom in. I just want to find a precise start, really. This is basically the intro. When I can hear the sound cheering, I think that's a good. So I'll just do Option left bracket to cut all the other footage from before this. Generally, I cut the this bit where it's searching for a player. Command B to cut that. There's a lot of dead space here, so I'm just going to go to the part where it starts like this, and I think usually around there when he kicks the ball for the beginning of the game. Option left bracket, and pretty much that's it. And as soon as the ball stops like that, I cut it. Command B. I usually skip the countdown and start the option left bracket. So yeah, it starts like that. Yeah, basically I'll just use the JK and L here. We don't need that window open. I'll keep pausing the spacebar as well, and I keep scrolling the trackpad as well. It's going a bit too fast, so I'll zoom out. When there's too much of a delay between shots, I sometimes cut the space out because some players take ages. Yeah, the issue is like there's a bit of a pause all the time, and I feel like cutting some out. So you see this, there's a bit of a delay. You don't always need that. Just cut the... That's enough there. We'll just do that. Cut there. We'll go to the next match, and when it's searching for the player, cut it the option left bracket. For this one, I think I'll just cut it there, and I'll leave that bit out and skip the countdown again. Use this skim to just see if we do win this one. Yeah, we do win that, so we can edit it, no problem. I'm cutting out some of the ones I lost, because I don't want it like super long, and it's going to be long as it is. It'll end up about 8 minutes, which is quite on the longer side. Yeah, we don't need all this. We'll just skip the countdown. And just as about to kick, there we go. The whistle goes. Put it there. That's it. Yeah, you see, it's a bit slow. Sometimes I'm gonna cut that out, but I don't think it's too bad. I'll just zoom out a bit because this playhead moves so fast. It's a little bit slow. You know, I just don't like when it's so slow. I don't like to have my viewers waiting for the shots when they just... Cut it, Command B, and I know it's only a little bit, and option left bracket to cut that bit out. That's it. That's better. It flows better. I'm just cutting this bit out, that bit, because it all adds up, and it just feels annoying for the viewer. You see, straight away when it goes to that shot, it kicks it. Nice shot. That's good. The pacing's pretty good, and that's the winner. Cool. So I don't always need to keep this bit in if there's not much happening, so I can just like cut it there. It depends how I feel, really, but it's basically the same for every match. You don't need it all there. So for this player, I'm just going to cut all that dead space with option left bracket from that to that point. And yeah, as soon as the ball comes down, cut it. We're just going to start the match when I kick it. Here, the whistle's gone. Cut that out. That feels like right. Yeah. But see, it's definitely, there's a bit of a delay, and I'm just cutting that space out. Option left bracket. See, I like that. It's better. So I'll keep this bit in. Good game. And I feel that's right. Cut that. Command B. cut that. That's the end bit. So now I'll do Shift Z. Should be pretty much about right before we crossfade it all. I'll go up and down with the arrow and just check things. We've got the first one. We've got the second one. Then we'll go down to the third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. Seventh one. Eighth. Ninth. I could have made an error, but I don't think so. I don't feel like I have, and that's the final game. Pretty much there now. I'm just going to select it all. Command A. Press Option T. Command Shift 8. Gives me volume levels. You see, they are kind of peaking. My audience likes it. I don't think it bothers them that it does peak. I like the volume, you know, it just adds a lot to it. So I'm happy with the volume. We've already just crossfaded it, I think. Yeah, you can see the crossfade there. Shift Z for the full timeline. Command T to put the crossfade. Now before that, I'll undo that and I'll just fade that audio. I'll just drag that handle. Command T. And if I want to just make this a bit bigger so it ends a bit like that. Yeah. That's fine. So now I'm ready to export it. So what I'll do to export, I'll go to Share File, Share Export File. It's MP4. It's going to be 1.29 gigabytes. Yeah, we need it on a higher resolution. Of course, we're on 60 frames per second. It's going to be 1.52 gigabytes. Yeah, that's fine. That's it. So now I'll just press next. I'm going to put it to my desktop. It's down here. Football Strike folder there, and this one here, the Colors Cup and Export folder. And the file name is going to upload as Festivals of Colors Cup. And that's it. Press save. And there we go. That is exporting. So the file is currently exporting in this export folder. It's taking a while. It's on 27%. So once this is exported, it will go to one file and then we'll just have a quick check of it, play it, and it's ready to be uploaded to YouTube. Here's the file ready for YouTube. 1.51 gigabytes, 955 in length. And yeah, we'll just have a quick scan with the L key. I mean, just in quick time now. I think it's pretty solid. So it looks good to me. Looking good. The ending, yep. Fades out nicely and starts out nicely. Straight into it. There we go. First kick, 6 seconds. That's what I like. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you've stuck around this long, I hope you found it interesting. And this is my workflow for my channel, Call Gamers. Until the next video, see you soon. Peace.